got this C63S here, brand new shape. Just gonna kick it again. This, I'm not too convinced, I'll be honest. Like, I just think that, oh, sorry Betty. Yeah, sorry Betty. Durability. Very good. Yo. Why are all these car companies getting badges and just sticking them on cars?
I can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, we got the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gaps is dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
Yeah, Big Charlie, listen. I'm a no white boy up in London town. One phone call, I'll get the gun then round. Don't say a word, don't make a sound. Get your gaff burnt out for £100. I'm a no white boy up in London town. One phone call, I'll get the place shut down. Don't say a word, don't make a sound. Get your gaff burnt out for £100. Shut down the club whenever we walk in. We're on actions, you're on talking. He was bad to the day that we caught him. He was bad to the day that we caught him. Kick down doors, man, don't do creepers. Jump off back.
Yo, I got this C63S here, brand new shape. I bet you ain't even seen one of these in the UK yet. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna hold it on, see what it can withstand. And have you noticed that kicking cars? Look, I'm just gonna kick it again. It's a rental, it's got no excess. I'm gonna hold it on. Yo, before we start this video, a quick disclaimer. All driving in this video was filmed in a controlled environment with permitted safety measures in place. Do not attempt to recreate anything you see in this video. We do not condone any dangerous or illegal driving. Always drive responsibly and respect local road laws. That's a disclaimer out the way, let's f***ing go mad.
But listen, I'm an old man now. I like always cars, yes?
Yeah.
But the most nice car what I say from, so he makes me crazy. RS6.
Say that again.
Audi RS6.
RS6.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
You know? Shit, yeah. You want back wheel drive, always.
But listen, then it's the best what you speak, and you're not a stupid person, yes? Then it's the best car for you, the Porsche.
I have a Porsche.
Okay, terrific. Yeah. That's what you like.
Yeah.
You were karting. That's a fuck Porsche. That's 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
When you like what you say, or BMW. Yeah.
BMW M3.
Yeah, and
best car on the road.
M3.
X3M. Whoa. You get me this one?
But
this one have you?
But listen, please. Every day, ding, 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 benzine.
No.
And I have always problems inside computers.
No, not with BMW ever.
No, you?
No.
Okay, now then
BMW is the best.
Yeah, but terrific.
Yeah?
Terrific.
Audi. Fucking shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you lighting me up. Nah, nice to meet you, man.
Yes,
what's your name?
Mikey.
Mikey, nice to meet you, Mikey, man. I'm here in Alicante, absolutely holding this brand new C63S on. Like, yo, you lot can be doing the same, you know, it's fucking easy. There's a link in my bio that teaches you everything you need to know to get fucking paid. Like, yo, if you're still dusting in your house, yeah, you ain't gonna get a C63S. Let's fucking go. We're about to absolutely kick the car's head in.
Oh, there's a skateboarder. Oh, nah.
Oh, look, he's coming from quite a distance. Durability, check. Very good.
Yes, aye.
Wash then. To be honest, I think it's fucking. I think it's sick, but it's not like the old one. I prefer the 4 litre. With this car, I'd say that it's like underpowered. quite a lot because it's only a 2 litre and it's too light. Like, you know what, the old one, yeah, it felt heavy, felt like you was getting your money's worth, like felt like it was a proper car. Like this, I'm not too convinced, I'll be honest. Like, I just think that, I don't know, like, I mean, as you can see, look, I'll show you on a corner, like, you will understand. See, like, an old 63. Oh, sorry, Betty. Yeah, sorry, Betty. Yeah, she's not too happy. Oh, yeah, we're just coming through the town, making bare racket. Like, it's all right, you know what I mean, but it's just not that. Like, these are about 100 bags as well, so if you're spending 100 bags on a car, like, surely enough, it should be doing a bit more. Like, I don't know, I mean, spec-wise, obviously it's nice, you've got all your carbon, you know, you got a few little bits, pan roof, fucking buckets, a lot, but I don't know, man, when I'm spending 100 nicker, I want to hear it roar. I mean, look, listen to it, that's just cruising along, yeah, it's alright, you know what I'm saying, but when you want to do what I want to do in this, like, it's not really hitting it. I don't know, man, I just think it's a bit basic. Yeah, it's got pan roof, it's got ambient lighting, big screen nav, it's very technical, the engine's far too small for the car. That's all I can really say. They look pretty much the same as the old ones, but you know, they got a couple of little bits more done to them. The stereo shit, it just feels like a Renault, I'll be honest. Like, I'm not rating Mercedes, you know. Like, I feel like unless it's got that 4 litre V8 engine, I'm not involved. Like, I like the old 6.3 engine. That's a good fucking engine. I don't know why they changed it. Yeah, it's in speed, like, I don't know why it keeps trying to die out. So we're gonna put it back in auto, so it's in race mode now. Let's see what. I mean, I don't feel like it's the fastest in the world. I'll be honest, like, I don't rate it. I'm not even gonna sit here and waffle about how good it is or whatever. Like, I don't rate it one bit. I just think that it's very plastic. That's all I can really say about it. It's very, very plastic. Yeah, it feels like it drifts up a little bit, you know what I mean? But nothing spectacular. Boot space, obviously, it's about the same as an M3. So while the Touring, if I was to put this in the same category as an M3 Touring, I'd have to drink probably 30 voddies and 25 buzz balls just to put them in the same category. But yeah, look, foot to the floor, look. It's not really that. Does a little shit pop, look. No popping. Renault Megane 225 BHP F1 edition. That is this to a T.
Yeah. You know what
do you reckon, lads? Like, give me your honest opinion. Like, obviously, I'm with a couple of the lads here.
I think it's a good car, you know.
You think it's a good car? What?
But it's not. You know what? It should just be. This should be the C63.
Yeah.
This shouldn't be a C63.
Bang on and hit the nail on the head, because you know what? Yeah. A C63 should be a fucking 63. Like, what the fuck is this? Why are all these car companies getting badges and just sticking them on cars? You know what I might just do? I might just get my TNG and I might just put LV badges on them and just say they're the new model. Everyone will just vibe with it, yeah? What do you reckon?
No.
It can't run, can it? So why is it running with all these shit cars? Because this is a 2 litre. Like, really and truly, now this is like A35 level. You know
yeah, no, it is. But if this was
how
an
can you pay
A35,
100 bags for this?
yeah, but if this was an A35, that would make the A35 a good car.
Yeah, but this is what I'm saying. The A35 is not a good car. So how's this a good car?
No,
It's a 2 litre turbo, same engine, scrap. Kick it, Ted, and it'll break. I just did a little drift now, it's spluttering. Look, feel it. That is a good thing about it, though. That is one good thing about it. So look, right, let me show you. So when I press the AMG button, when it wants to, oh yeah, okay. Right, so we are now all electric. Look. That is kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Look, foot to the floor electric. It's not the fastest, but oh, kicked in. Yeah, because it's shit. Hear it? It's like a Suron now. Without the S, it's a Uron. It's people. Oh. You know the best thing about this car is when we took this car out from the rental company, they took an extra amount from me, and they said it's got 0 excess. So if I crash it or do anything to it, it's fine. Let me just show you something now. Look, today I've earned £10,446 on a Monday. Looking at the views, yo, all thanks to Switzy. Like, Switzy, tell all the fans in this video now how they can go about start earning money with us.
It's easy, like we have a free community, like we're not charging for a course, a mentorship, like none of this bullshit. Everything we do is purely and entirely free, you know. So in case you guys want to learn how to make money from your phone, it's very simple. Just scan the QR code right here and we're gonna show you the exact path. And I think you can even put some testimonials, like people who have like 9-5 jobs are just killing it.
So that's in English, yeah? I'm gonna tell you in English now, yeah, because you know Switzy's got a twang. You know what I'm saying? If you just want to start joining our community and start making money with us, there's a QR code on the screen right now. Scan it, check it out. You don't have to join it, check it out. It's a free community. Go in there, see what's going on, see all the people that are making money with us. And if it's for you, click that link and start getting paid with us. Let's fucking go, you bastards. If I want to switch it into drift mode while I'm driving, I just press that, go over to race. Yeah, pull it in manual, hold the traction off. Then I hold the 2 paddles together, drift mode. Yeah, so we're in drift mode now.
It's a bit long-winded though, isn't it?
What?
To put it in and out of drift.
Well, yeah, this is the thing, like, you have to do all that messing around to put it in drift. And it don't even really drift that good, like.
The M3, you just M1, M2.
M2 twice. But you know what, Mercedes is no comparison to BMW anyway. Like, I feel like with BMW, you really see where your money's gone. Like, I've got carbon buckets in my M3. Like, you're getting it. The back of the seats are carbon fibre, not no fucking plastic. Carbon, mate. Heavy salads only. Like, as you can see, my M3, I've done a lot to it. But even out the box, brand new. Like, yo, you're getting carbon bucket seats, carbon everywhere, and you are a smooth bastard. Like, let's have it right. Oh, look, this just feels like a C-Class. I feel like I'm in a C-Class that does a little, and that's it. Like, absolute scrapper.
Yo, 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 yo.
So, C63S, that just about concludes the video. Like, share, and subscribe. You know what to do. Let's get everyone onto the YouTube. But yeah, if you're gonna buy one, don't fucking bother, because it is scrap. Get yourself an M3. Let's fucking go.
I can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.